Sharebility is a website that we have created to have a lot of content for learners. You'll find presentations here, you'll find notes, books, video tutorials. You can search for whatever you want from here, and when you upload, there are some tags here which are like the categories. So whatever you upload will go either under any of these subjects. The tags are the subjects, and this side we have the classes. So you should be able to choose a class and a subject. So this is Sharebility Uganda, and you can always access a lot of resources here on sharebility.net. Now, if you want to upload a resource, you come here and click on login to dashboard. Click on your account and click on login. Now, all the members who had registered on the old Sharebility, we have transferred your accounts, so you can just log in to this Sharebility here. So when you click on your account, you come here to the login page. So here you can be able to put in your username and password. So you put in your email, and then you also put in your password. If you don't have an account, you can first go up here and click on register and you create an account. But if you have an account, you come here and then you can be able to log in. So you put in your username and then your password. In case you've forgotten your password, especially all the members whose accounts will change from the old Sharebility, first click on lost password here. You put in your email and then it will send you the password. But for me, I can just log in. In this case, I can just log in. So when I click on login, it is going to log me in and it's going to bring my name here, and also your photo will come up here. This photo was put on gravata.com. Those of you who know Gravata, which is on WordPress, that's where you upload that photo from, and then it will appear there. So you come here and click on upload a resource. There is upload a resource, there is upload submit a premium resource. That is if you have something you want to sell, like a book which you don't want to give out for free, or a blog post if you want to just write an article on the blog, and then here you can access your purchase downloads. If you have bought something from the shop, you always come here to download it. Yeah, so you click on upload a resource. Okay, so I'm going to be uploading this scheme of work. Many teachers normally look for schemes of work, so I'm sharing this template. So I think it can help someone out there. So I'll come here and I will get my title. So this is a scheme of work, term 3 subsidiary ICT. This is my more of my title. So I can come here and I put in the details of my document which I want to share. So I'll come here and I put it in here. My document, sample scheme of work, term 3 subsidiary ICT. That is my title. Then up here, on the right here, there is a section for attach a file. So you can select it if it is on your computer. So you can click on that button and then you upload. So it is going to bring this browse. So for me, mine is on the desktop and it's here. It's called scheme of work. So I upload it. So it is going to upload here. It is uploading. So when it uploads, it puts it up here. But also you realize that there is a section here of insert URL. This one is for in case you have the document already. Like for example, for me, I have them on my Google Drive. So if you have it already on Google Drive, when it's on the computer, you can come to Google Drive and you right click on the document that you want and then you click on get shareable link. Yeah, so it could be on Google Drive, it could be on Dropbox, it could be on another website. When you have the direct link, maybe you're adding a resource which is on maybe on another portal, maybe like UNEB support files. When they're on the UNEB portal, you can just get that link to that resource from the UNEB website. Then you copy the link, and when you copy this link, you can be able to come and you add it to your document here. So you can be able to upload it to put it here, and then you click on this plus. Yeah. So but for me, in this case, for me, I've just uploaded it directly from my computer. So that is what you do. Now, before you click on publish, there are a number of things you need to do. You need to put a tag. So this one here is a tag we normally put in the subject under which this resource falls. So this is subsidiary city. So when I put sub, we have entered all the subjects in the system. If you put geography, if you just put geo, it will bring geography. So if you put K, it will bring chemistry. So you type and then you select. But in this case, I want also scheme. So you say I've just said K, but this is part of scheme of work. So let me also choose scheme of work as a tag for this particular resource. So those are two tags. It is a scheme of work and it is for subsidiary ICT. Now the next thing is to choose the class. So this one is senior 5 and it is also in A level. So I choose senior 5 and A level. Okay, so that is list. Now there is also a section down here which has featured image. Featured image is in case you want to put there a thumbnail on this resource so that it is visible. So like this is a document. If I want a thumbnail for this one, I can use what we call the print screen button, and then I can be able to save that image. Yeah, so I open my program called Paint. It is a program. You can even open PowerPoint, or you can open any program and then you paste. So I've done what called a print screen. This is because I want to get a thumbnail, but this is optional. This is optional really. You don't necessarily need to do this. So for me, I've chosen this. So this is a picture. This is like a screenshot of my document. If it is a book, I could put the book cover or an image. If it is biology, I can put there. If it is a syllabus, I can put there the cover or some image which represents the document. Yeah. So from there, you after saving it, I've saved it on a desktop. I come here and I upload it. I upload it to be my featured image for this particular resource. Yeah, this here screenshot. I think I've chosen something else. Okay, so this is an optional step that you can do just to set a featured image for your particular document on your website. Okay, so I say featured image. So now there are other things here in WordPress that you don't need to really mind about. There are things here like this part here where you can put some details. For example, you can say okay, scheme of work based on the NCDC sub ICT syllabus. Okay. Okay. So for senior 5 term 3. So this is a description. You can put here a description of your resource. A description is like more details about it. So for example, if it is a book, you can put here the book title, and then here you can put here the outline, like the book outline. So someone can read through before he can use it. So the main thing is mainly the title here up, and then you either drop or you upload your file here, or you drag and drop, or you put a link if it is a linked resource. If it is not just uploaded, it is already maybe online, so you just want to add that resource such that people can be able to download it from wherever it is. So basically that is what you do. Now you click on submit for review. Now if you are a new person who has started, we can later on give you rights, so that once the moment you click on submit, it goes live. But if you are a new person, you have just uploaded maybe 1 or 2 documents so far, we have to first look at what are you uploading to avoid for security. But later on, when we see that you are really a person, we activate your account, and then we do what, and then we make your post live. Yeah, so basically that is it. So when you upload, you'll be able to see here that your post has been submitted, and there is a bit here for preview. The admins will be notified, and they will be able to approve your post to appear on Sharebility. Yeah, and with time they will upgrade your rights based on your activity on Sharebility, so that whenever you upload something, it appears immediately on the platform, and you can be able to put your work here and share the links with your students. Basically, we are building a digital library that can support teaching and learning in schools, as a teacher, you can benefit a lot because you showcase your work here, and you get to help to contribute to this digital library. There are a lot of benefits that you can get from sharing content because you get known, and there are a lot of opportunities that come with that. Yeah, so basically that is it. So this is our resource. This is the thumbnail that we have added, and this is a sample scheme of work. And when someone clicks on this download, you can download. It shows you the file size, and down here there are some posts, and there are also some comments down here if someone wants to leave a comment. So basically this is the resource. So people are uploading a lot of resources here. Find the subject like agriculture here has 200 resources, fine art, a lot of resources. If you want to upload something else, you can always go back and click on log into dashboard. If you want to publish a post instead, or you want to publish a product is something for sale, you just go back to your dashboard under your account, and then you can be able to click on, last time we clicked on upload a free resource, this time you can click on submit a premium resource. That one will be for sale. When you're uploading it, you can specify the amount of money to be sold at. If you want a post like an article, just words, it's not an upload, then you click on that and you'll be given an editor, WordPress editor, where you can type your title and your content and your pictures. And yeah, basically this is your dashboard.